What's up, everybody? This is my review of charger and sync cable, USB data cable. It's a good product. When I first got it, I was kind of skeptical because it kind of looked, I don't know, it was transparent in the middle, but when you plug it in, it turns purple. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna maybe try to cut the light so maybe you can get an idea. So you can see that. It's a nice neon glow. Very bright. If you leave it on at night, it might distract you from sleeping. So that's one thing to be aware of. But so far, so good. This has been durable and the quality is very good. I'm surprised. I'm going to unplug it actually. The endpoints are pretty solid. They feel durable. They feel like they will last. I'm very happy with this product. It's working great for my needs. I don't know if I've plugged this in the car yet, but for home purposes, it's been great. Cannot complain. This is a very durable, good-looking product. I like the fun colors. This is the purple version, and highly recommend it.